G'day folks, Shane Jacobson here, aka, well it's actually just Shane Jacobson, I don't have a cool nickname. But one thing I do have is a little bit of knowledge in the area of off-road driving. Now, like me, are you sick and tired of hearing your clutch cry and whimper when you're out there on the tracks, in the bush, trying to show it who's boss? Do you know who the boss is? You are! Well, you would be if you had an Exedy Safari Tuff Clutch. Safari Tuff Clutch! Let me tell you, the Exedy Safari Tuff Clutch is tougher than a biker kangaroo in a bar fight. And the reason I want you to know about this is I want you to have the competitive advantage over everyone else that's out there off-road in their four-wheel drive. What's that? I hear you say it's not a competition. Oh, isn't it? I think we know the truth. So this thing is built for tough conditions. This thing is perfect under heavy loads off-road. Who wants one of those? We all do! So, me old buckaroos, do yourself a favour. Get yourself an Exedy Safari Tuff Clutch. Mate of mine went off-road with me the other day without an Exedy Safari Tuff Clutch. He's still out there somewhere. Safari Tuff Clutch! Nah, there's no one out there. Bill? Safari Tuff Clutch!